Alright, this is a video of the 84 6.9 liter diesel. It's got stock Dodge Steelies on it, 5-inch straight pipe coming out before the tire. These wheels have a horrible offset, which makes it rub with only 31s on it. Rubs right there on the leaf spring. Then we're going to do a cold start on it. So you guys see this side. The interior is a little shitty, but it's an old truck. The odometer flipped over 3 times before it stopped working. Now there's no speedo and half the gauges. See if the glow plug controller wants to work. And there it is. I've also got the button when it doesn't want to work. Let her cycle one more time. And there she is. She starts like a champ. Brand new glow plugs, brand new relay. Sounds like a blown up 460 with a straight pipe. There she is. Brand new relay. It has a crack in the block. It's had it since about 8,000 miles. Still runs like a champ. We just fill her up with just straight water when it's warm out and nothing when it's cold. There she is. Let me know what you think.